Senior leaders don't ignore conversations because they're careless or disengaged. They ignore them because nothing signals clarity fast enough. When everything sounds familiar, nothing stands out, even when the problem is real. Most leadership outreach uses the same language: execution, alignment, priorities, pressure, all valid, all true, all overused. When leaders hear abstract framing without precision, their brain categorizes it as noise and moves on. Alignment doesn't break because teams don't care. It breaks because decisions stay abstract under pressure. Ownership blurs, trade-offs get delayed, risk hides behind polite language. Quietly, the leader becomes the bottleneck again, long before anyone names it. This is why execution slows before leaders realize it's happening. Not due to people, not due to effort, but because clarity wasn't engineered early when it mattered most. The fastest way to earn a senior leader's attention isn't asking for time. It's showing them their situation with precision before the conversation. When leaders see their reality reflected clearly in under a minute, the conversation shifts from exploratory to decisive. That's why high-performing advisors now use short, faceless explainer videos to pre-frame conversations, allow prospects to self-qualify, and protect focus while increasing execution quality. Clarity first, conversation second, execution follows.